Today we are making fruit trifle. It's one of the easiest recipes. You just need a few ingredients. Like in a pot, you need to take 4 cups of milk, and you have to make the custard because the custard is the main ingredient. So in a pot, I'll take 4 cups of milk. I'm going to let it come to a boil. Then I will add the sugar and I will add the custard powder. So as you can see, I'm also going to be using jelly. One jelly packet. The instructions are written in the back. You can follow the instructions and make the jelly and set it in the fridge. So I've taken 4 tablespoons of sugar. I'm going to make the custard now. I've taken 2 tablespoons of custard and I will add half cup of milk inside the custard powder. I'm using this brand of custard. You can use any vanilla custard. So I'm going to dissolve the custard in milk. I've taken half cup of milk. I'm going to dissolve the custard. As you can see, there should be no lumps in the custard. It should be completely dissolved. I'm going to add this in the simmering milk. Like my milk is boiled and I'm going to add the custard inside it. And I'm going to wait for the custard to get really thick. Keep your stove on a medium heat so that your milk doesn't burn. So as you can see that after the jelly is completely set, so I added some bananas, and now on top of this I'm going to add the layers of the custard. Some bananas as well. So I'm going to put all the custard and I'm going to decorate it. So my trifle is ready. We have 3 layers. One is the jelly layer, the custard layer, and the cake layer. This is a very easy recipe. It's perfect for your dinner tables. So the trifle is ready. I've decorated uh, with some jelly and some cream, fresh cream, and you need to chill it for good 4 to 5 hours before serving. It's really delicious to eat. You can see the layers of the trifle. It's a very rich dessert and I hope you will enjoy it. Subscribe to my channel.